Hi guys and welcome to the educational live intraday chat analysis video based on price action. Okay, so in this particular chart we can see here the price has gone up and it has come down, and if you see the current price how it is performing, it is just going in this range bounded pattern. Okay, so now if this pattern breaks to the higher side, then we can see the price might get increased, or if the lower side breaks we can see the price might get decreased. Okay, so as of now, the resistance level is trying to give a breakout here, as you guys can see. So it can be a possible buyer zone from here. So let's see how the price will react from here. Okay, so let's observe, and please note this video is only for educational purpose and this video does not contain any of the trading advices. Okay, so if the resistance level gives a breakout from here, then we can expect the price to go up. Okay, or if this resistance level is taken, then the price might also come down. So anyway, as you guys can see here, it is a green candle which is formed above this resistance line. So let's wait and watch how the price might perform for today. Okay, so guys, as you guys can see here, almost the resistance level has touched three times here, and now it's touching for the fourth time. Okay, so whenever the resistance level was touched, we can see the price has been rejected and made a low point. Okay, so now what happened was the recent resistance touch and it came down. So we can see here the dip what it has given is a bit lesser low when compared to the previous lows what it has made. Okay, so by making a very lesser low dip, the price again came up by approaching the resistance level. So this showed that there might be the buyer's volume here. Okay, so buyers might come here is the situation what it looks like, but anyhow let's see how the price will perform from here. Okay, so if it increases a bit, it can test a key resistance level. So we have a key resistance level above the higher green area where I have marked. So I'll just draw a line later so to show you the key resistance level. Okay, so yes, it's almost approaching that key resistance level. Okay, so that's our key resistance level where I've just drawn the blue line now. So we can see here it's almost touching the blue line here. Okay, so this is how it has reacted once it has given a breakout. Okay, with the big volume of buyers. So if we get good volume of buyers, so this is how it performs. Okay, and also guys, if you guys are interested in learning more about price action based strategies without indicators and want to improve your trading knowledge and the skills, you can contact on the Telegram ID mentioned on the screen for more educational details. Okay, and also please note this video is only for educational purpose, and also whenever you're trading you should be very careful. Trading involves risk. You should keep your target and stop loss in every trade what you take. Okay, so if you follow the discipline, that's when you can trade. Okay, so following the discipline in trading and following the right mindset is very important in trading. Okay, so yes, this is a price action chart analysis and we analyzed without any indicators here. So this is a little example. Okay, so I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you guys in the next one very soon.